Here are 3 foods you can easily incorporate into your diet to reverse insulin resistance. I'm Diana, a diabetes dietitian. Number 1 is going to be green leafy vegetables. So things like arugula, romaine, spinach, kale, sprouts. These foods are going to be really high in tons of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, fiber, and very low in calories. Have greens first before your meal or add them to your meals, and this will really help slow down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. Next up is going to be more plant-based proteins like black beans, lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans. Now that may surprise you, but plant-based proteins like legumes actually help improve insulin sensitivity. They are high in fiber and low in saturated fat. And number 3, focus on whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, millet, and even, yes, whole grain pasta. Carbs are not the enemy, and these foods shouldn't be avoided. Pick whole grain, whole wheat versions. They're high in fiber and only going to improve your blood sugar levels over time. Now, how do you incorporate these foods into your diet? If you comment blueprint below, we'll send you recipes that incorporate all these foods.